So to use it, we're gonna be walking through the tongue suction, then step 2, tongue press, that goes into a swallow. You can see, so my lips are towards the base of the nozzle, so you're making a light seal here. Then your tongue is creating the tongue suction, so your tip of the tongue, so if this is your tip of your tongue right there, so that's right kind of on the nozzle, and you're lowering it in a vertical motion to draw the water in. So you're doing this, like some people in myofunctional therapy, they call it a tongue cave, where your tongue is suctioning through your mouth, so you're suctioning with your tongue. So not your cheeks, but with your tongue. So you're activating your genioglossus. This is one of the main airway dilator muscles. So you create the suction, so right here, and then you compress against the roof of your mouth with the tip of your tongue behind your top front teeth. So what this looks like with the mouth model, so this is your mouth here. So you're gonna wanna compress it. So you're doing the suction here, then compress it. So maybe about a quarter inch, so very, not touching your teeth, but just right behind. So creating the suction, compress, swallow. Creating the suction, compress, swallow. Now while doing this, you should be able to nasal breathe. So, and I'll kind of demonstrate from the side, but you should be able to nasal breathe. You should have good posture, like don't be hunched over drinking it. Just drink it upright how you normally would. And that's it. Hopefully this helps as you learn how to use the product. Definitely refer to our instructions. There's great visuals, and we put a lot of time into making sure they're hopefully easy to understand. If you have additional questions, please reach out to our website chat or support@REMmasteredsleep.com. Also, after you use it for a month or two, we love to get reviews on our website, so please leave a review. Wishing you the best on your journey to better sleep. Thank you.